What's up, North Texas barbecue addicts? In today's episode, we're going to be busting out a cast iron skillet and the slow and sear kettle. I've got a chimney of charcoal getting lit right now. We're going to get it scorching hot at about 350 to 400 degrees so we can get that cast iron nice and hot. And we've got some Red Argentine shrimp from Six Brothers Beef Company. As always, they've given us a discount code that is NTBA10. It'll get you 10% off. We'll have that down below in the description box. Check out sixbrothersbeef.com. These Red Argentine shrimp are awesome. They've been marinating in some sweet Thai chili sauce, soy sauce, and ginger seasoning for about, I'd say, an hour and a half now. And they're perfectly ready for the street tacos that we're going to throw down on the slow and sear kettle. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. If you like tacos and you like shrimp, this is the video for you. Like I mentioned in the intro, guys, we've got the slow and sear kettle heating up. We hit it with a little bit of veggie spray, and now this cast iron skillet is right over the coals. We're letting this heat up before we throw our shrimp on so we can get a real quick cook. Typically, shrimp takes about anywhere from, I'd say, 2.5 to 5 minutes, just depending on the temperature you're working with. But we're gonna get a nice smoky element in here and a great sear on our shrimp for these tacos, and we'll be able to toast up our tortillas as well. So as soon as this is ready to go, we'll get our shrimp in. All right, y'all, like I said, we had this slow and sear kettle heating up. As you can see, we got some fire under there. This cast iron skillet's nice and hot. We've got some of the Red Argentine shrimp that I mentioned that had been marinating in some sweet Thai chili sauce, soy sauce, and ginger, ready to go on to the skillet. So that's what we're gonna do. We're right around 425 degrees. You hear that sizzle? That's exactly what you're looking to hear for. There we go. You want to give it some space. This is a real quick cook. Takes about, I'd say, at max 5 minutes with flipping and adding a little bit of sauce in there at the same time. There we go. Smelling good out here. There we go. So we're rolling perfect. That's smelling good. Perfect kind of temperature that I'm looking for to sear up some big old shrimp like these. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to let these set for about a minute, and then I'll flip them around. I'll show you flipping them, and then we'll assemble us some tacos with some coleslaw that I already got whipped up. So y'all stick around. Alright, as mentioned, we've got our street tacos assembled, ready for the taste test. We've got some coleslaw in there. That was literally just some pre-ready bagged coleslaw that I mixed together with some guacamole and some salsa verde and a little bit of sugar and black pepper and salt. And that's all we did. But what we do want to do is top it off with a little bit of this verde itself. So let's go ahead and do that. These tacos look awesome. Just a little bit more flavor towards the end there. Man, there we go. So that's what we're looking like. Let's go ahead and grab one of these and get this camera turned around and give it a taste. Really quick street shrimp tacos. We marinated them with some sweet Thai chili sauce, some soy sauce, and a little bit of ginger seasoning. And then we whipped up a really easy coleslaw with some guacamole and some salsa verde sauce in it with some sugar, black pepper, and salt. And we've got these beauties right here, some Red Argentine shrimp, street tacos with some toasted street tortillas off the slow and sear kettle. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's been tasting, or I should say it's been smelling amazing. Let's give it a taste test and see what we're working with. Look at that shrimp. Perfect cook. Just need 2 of them for 1 taco. Cheers, y'all. That salsa verde and guacamole sauce goes perfect with the sweet Thai chili sauce. Like I said, we just need 2 shrimp because these shrimp are huge. I just got 1 complete shrimp in that bite. It doesn't get any better than that. I appreciate y'all for stopping by North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Reminder, we've got the discount code that is NTBA10 that'll get you 10% off your total order from Six Brothers, so check them out in the description box below. And until next time, peace! Y'all keep on barbecuing. Time to eat some tacos.